Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to forward emails to Telegram chats and groups. So first, go to this website. It's called botster.io. Next, create a free account. After you've created an account, go search for email, Telegram. And then scroll down until you see email to messages forwarder. Then click Start Bot. So now click Start Bot and then name your job. Let's name it Test Email Telegram Forwarder. And then scroll down until you see this area. Now let's focus on Telegram. Click Send Notifications to Telegram and then connect your Telegram account. If you're on PC, this is what you have to do. Check this and then click Open Telegram Desktop. And next, click Start. Now it'll send you these messages. It's going to ask for a connection code. You'll see the connection code here. Copy it and then paste it on Telegram. Now you can receive Telegram notifications. Now emails can't be forwarded to your Telegram account unless you start this bot. So click Start this bot and then copy this email address. Now I'm gonna do a test email. Now here I'm gonna paste the email we just copied and then the subject. Since this is a test email, let's just do test and then click send. And then here you go. This is how you can send emails to Telegram chats. Now in order to send it to a group, like this one, click on the group name, add members, and then search for the Botster bot, this one. Then add it, and then click on the job name again, and then here you can see the command you need to enter. Copy it, go back to Telegram, and then paste it in the group chat. And then here you go. The email will now be forwarded into this group. Now let's test it again. Let's send the email test2. And then as you can see, the email is now forwarded in the group. And then that's it. You successfully forwarded emails to Telegram chats and groups.